Hi guys, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I thought I would just start off a weekly vlog. It's Monday today, it's around 2:40 right now. I just finished filming a video for Princess Polly. It's a clothing haul. Just like a little wardrobe update, so that you guys should have seen that probably before this vlog goes up. I filmed like a couple bits and pieces here and there, so I'll just like throw them in this vlog somewhere. But I thought I would just start it off and say hi to you guys. I just got back home from all my classes. I'm kind of sick. I hope not. I'm crossing my fingers I'm not. But I seem to always get sick around this time of year. I don't know if it's like the season. Does that even make sense? Probably not. Anyways, I think I'm gonna start off this vlog with a little unboxing. My dad sent me this huge package. Yeah, my address is not showing, okay. But my mom and dad, sorry, sent me a gift for Valentine's Day, and I have no clue what this could be. It's such a odd shape. They also said I need to call them so they can see me unbox it, as well as they have special instructions apparently. Okay, ready?
No! I hope you like it.
Wait, I'm nervous. Okay, wait, where do I open it? Like, okay. I'm doing it really carefully. He's helping me how to open this because last time I opened a package he sent, it was an Aritzia Super Puff jacket, and I like cut right into it and there was like a giant hole in it.
Oh, I thought you didn't cut it, you said.
He said it was the postman.
You busted. Yeah, you're gonna like unroll the box.
Unroll the box? I'm so excited. No, you didn't. No.
Yeah, roll.
No. No.
You already saw it?
Oh my god, it's amazing. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Oh my gosh, this is the sickest thing ever. Did you actually just do that? Guys, when we were in Europe over the summer, I saw this sweater or cardigan, and it's from Off-White. Wait, oh my gosh, it's so cool, Dad. But we saw it in the store and I freaked over it, and for some reason I just didn't get it, and I have been thinking about it ever since, and I always talk to my parents about this sweater, and I'm like, gosh, I wish I got it. It's like one of the biggest like regrets that I didn't get it, like all this stuff, and he got it for me. Wait, Dad, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Thank you. You did not have to do that.
Damn right.
Dad, I think I'm gonna cry.
Me too. Aww.
So this is what it looks like on. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this. You're the best. Oh my gosh, I love you. Thank you, Dad. Go Peyton.
Which is connected to why he wears his reflective mask.
Okay, so I just got back from my first class. It's obviously the next day. Today I kind of need to just run a bunch of errands. I need to get my nails done. They're so gross and just atrocious. So I need to get that done, especially before this weekend starts, because it's Mom's weekend, so my mom will be in town. Maybe I'll actually film a little and put that in this vlog. But I need to look presentable before she gets here. So I need to get my nails done. My thing is that I just hate going alone, so I only go whenever my friends go. I just get like super antsy and I hate sitting there for like an hour. So we need to do that and then also work out at some point today. I'm also wearing this set from Naked Cashmere. It's super, super comfy. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
And that's the tea.
And that's the tea. We're getting our nails done.
Do you want to say hi to her vlog?
Say hi.
Who?
My vlog. YouTube.
Hi.
Ah.
I'm from VIP now. We are the most popular here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to the gym now. I also just got these new earrings when I was home from 14 Karat. This is what they look like. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but how do we feel about them? But I'm styling now, so let's go. Gonna do a quick 3-mile run. Wait, let me see. Alec! That's hilarious. So it's obviously a new day today. I just woke up a little bit ago. It's around like 9:15 right now, and I have class at 9:30. It's also snowing out right now, so I just put on this huge coat. I got it from Aritzia. It's the puffer one. It's like, I think the super puff. I'll link it down below for you guys, but it's super warm. I should probably go to class pretty soon. It's close to my apartment ish, so it's not gonna take me like too long to get there. Let me actually show you guys my outfit before I go. I look like a marshmallow right now. So jacket is Aritzia, like I said. Sweatshirt is Naked Cashmere, and pants or sweats are from Brandy Melville, and then these boots, which I'm obsessed with, are from Steve Madden. I think they're so cool. I know they're probably not everyone's style because they're platform, but I think they're sick. But yeah, that's the outfit, and let's go to class.
I mean, not that I love beer, but like.
Okay, so I just got some dinner delivered. I just got the salad from a place called Butch's. It's actually so good. I just got a salad with chopped spinach, avocado, dried cranberries, feta, and then some tomatoes. It looks so bomb. I'm so excited to eat this. But anyways, right now I think I'm gonna just quickly eat this, and then I have to go to my sorority house at, I think, like 7:15 or something like that. Because I have chapter tonight. But after chapter, I think I'm probably just gonna stay and watch The Bachelor with everyone. I feel like I never talk about The Bachelor or Bachelorette on here ever, but I feel like I want to like start talking about it because I'm obsessed with The Bachelor. Maybe I'll do like a little something like that. Comment down below if you guys like The Bachelor or if you don't. I feel like it's like a show where you either hate it or you totally love it. But anyways, I'm gonna eat this because I'm starving, so I will talk to you guys after. Okay, I had to come back to my apartment to watch because for some reason it wouldn't work at the house, so I'm really late to watching it. Oh, it's going down.
This morning there. I think
This is so awkward that they're all in like a hotel room together.
oh, cute. No, you look so skinny. Thank you.
Wait, Maddie's fully tweaking and I feel really bad for her. It's commercial break. Let me turn this down. Okay, here are my thoughts. Hannah Ann, great, but way too young. Maddie, I just don't see them like working out in the future, but I like her. And then Victoria, you guys know how I feel. I hate her. She's the worst. Oh wait, it's back. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, I changed my mind. I kind of love her. This is so cute. Wow, we have the gym to ourselves. Oh, no we don't. He's fully making a TikTok right now.
Stay shaken. If you're gay and you're between the ages of 20 and 60, hit me up. Paige will tag you below.